Hi, I'm going to be doing my very first video build for the 2018 Cancer Awareness Group build hosted by, I'm going to butcher his name, Bob Abusik and Chris at 101 Classic 101. I'm going to be building a Aoshima Liberty Works GTR. I'm doing gray because I had a brain tumor a couple of years ago and I've had chemo for it, and I'm doing pretty good. And building kits is what got me, because I lost dexterity. I had left side weakness, and I had to go through some physical therapy, but I wanted to get my dexterity back so I could build kits again. And I love GTRs. I love Liberty Work body kits. They're just crazy, outrageous. A lot of people hate on them, but I think they look awesome. And so I'm going to be building this. A kit is going to require a lot of modifications to the body. You've got to cut the body apart. Got to open up the fenders. They give you some templates. I guess they're templates. And got some decals, some window masks. I got some tape for the gaskets around the over fenders, and got some really cool stuff. I've never done one of these kits before, but I'm going to give it a good shot and try, see if I can get it done. Hopefully I'll get it started sometime really soon. Looks like it's going to be fun to build. Maybe a little bit complicated, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's my entry into the 2018 Cancer Awareness Group build. And this is the color I'm going to be painting it. This shade of gray. I think it's a gray gloss. It looks pretty close to the box. But we'll see. I'm going to have fun building this because I love this car. I've got two of these kits. This one's the one that has the Imperial Japanese flag on the side of it. So looking forward to putting this together.